Oh, I just realized I'm not even heard. I wasn't even. Nice, 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 amazing. I was just chatting to myself for a couple minutes, like I do every stream. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's just, it's just, it's just coding. Let's just. Is this even considered software game? Yeah, yeah, whatever. I consider it. I'm the biggest LARPer, but it works. Okay, okay. So now we got this. We gotta replicate that, and then we gotta replicate that. I feel like. It seems so easy, right? Some dude and flipping like, dude, I could probably pick up a dude off the street, be like, oh yeah, but he specifically has to be Asian. That's not racism, because for some reason Asians are just the craziest coders, and I am Asian too. Yet I think I'm nerfed in this department. Anyway, so next, I gotta print this little thing, right? I feel like it's gonna be easy, but I don't want to second guess myself. Oh, flip, that's a bar. Ooh, it works, it works, it works. I copied the code off of this guy. Not copied. I studied it, and then I copied it. So it has to be worth something, right? It has to think about whether or not things are just, well, just well. I got, I gotta calm down. I gotta calm down a bit. So next, we gotta append this. We gotta append. For the longest time, I thought I had to do this, right? But no, it's actually this, and I was getting it wrong. You can kind of see it in everything I do up here. I'd say I did this, except for this one. Mr. Gemini helped me this one because I suck at English. Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. It's okay. 大丈夫。本当にですよ、大丈夫。Okay, so okay, so like there's a spaces here, right? And then it goes on to the end. It starts so 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 I think we should define what a category space is. So like if there's one category, right, it's gotta span a specific amount. So boom, it's done. What more do you want from me? Okay, so obviously we gotta use one, right? And you also have to span it. Let's put F string. Is this overkill if I do this? I can span it. We're gonna make it start. But wait, hold on. I gotta be the stupidest code ever. Okay. Plus that, right? That, and then by the amount of categories we have. So here, right? So there's about about three of these. About three of these for every single one. So I'm gonna print a couple spaces. Couple spaces up in here. And then boom, right? And so we're gonna take the number of categories. Length of categories. So length categories. That work? Wait a sec. I got two categories: food and utilities. Now, take a look here. Right? It should be. Wait. 4, 5, 6. Hey, it matches the thing. Let's add food again. Food, utilities, and food. Huh? Maybe initiate another class. I'm actually just losing my mind here. Then then you're gonna make some deposits, economics, and the law of demand, and things like that. Deposit money. Why am I putting that? I don't need to do anything. Because it tracks the amount spent. Okay, and you put ball sack. Maybe do two. Ooh. There's supposed to be two at the edge like this, right? And there's three at the edge. So I think you do a basis of one. She's touching it. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, and then you put 1, 2. Hey, hey, you can see where we're going. It says up to 4 categories. Yeah, test it up to 4 categories. So let's test it up to 4 categories. Free trash. Okay, so gonna do the same thing. Spend 6,000. Bases. I don't really. Whoa, it's actually kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. Actually kind of. It's actually kind of cool. Ooh, ooh, it's a little. Oh my days! No, hold up. This is kind of cool though. Look at that. Ball sack did 0%. 0% of its spent. It is rounded down though. So, okay. So, oh, you see that? That's two. Tell him I'm done. Okay. Percentage. Should I just copy the other guy? I should. And by copy, I just saw him do it, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing. And bada bing, bada boom. What's next? Huh? Oh, no, huh? Title at the top of create spend chart should say percentage spent by category. Yeah, it says that. Uh-huh. Okay. Should have the correct percentages down the left side. Ignore the an orgasm behind me or something. I don't flipping know. Oh, I don't get it. I don't flipping get it. What is it you don't understand? It says percentage spent by category. That's the title. It's at the top. It's the exact same. Okay, I'm going back to Mr. Oh, this guy, Ruslan Yelusinov. No wonder he's getting everything else right except for this one thing. I'm just getting mogged. Center title. What? Why do you have center title? Wait. No. Yeah. No. What? Oh my days. Oh my days. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on anymore. I don't know. I'm tired of this. Facings. Okay, let's go check out what I. Oh, I got none of it right. Oh, is it because I'm not returning it? That's probably why, no? Um, returns a bar string chart. Yeah, it returns it. So. Oh wait, hold on. I actually got some correct. Okay. Okay, so Heather. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, I got two. Nice. You love to see it. You just love to see it. Category and string. That's all nicely laid out. It looks fine. I don't know why they're pissed at me, man. Like, I'm tired of this. Oh wait, should it be like where's 10? Is the I think I know why that's not going. It's because I already rounded it beforehand. And why is this class open? Turn that off. I understand. It's probably because of this, right? This I rounded beforehand. Maybe let's just return the percent, then run it. Doesn't have a new line character at the end. The height of each bar should be rounded down to the nearest 10. If I'm not mistaken. Matter of fact, let's print the things. Okay, let's print all of it. Print perfect. That's actually printing all. It's printing 20. It's printing the last one. So we have 17, 62, and 0. 17, 62, 0, and 27. It's being rounded down.
And I want you to make me a Krabby Patty!
How you doing? Anyway.
Start digging in your butt, twin.
It's rounding
What?
down.
What?
And it's not saying it's correct. Personally, I think I might blow up my PC and call it a night. Honestly, this work. I just does not want to give me the flipping plan. Tell me the ways. Tell me the ways, please, bro. I'm tired of this. I'm ignore that part. I'm gonna try to do that one myself. Zero. Yeah, no, wait. What? Huh? Category name. Okay, then withdrawal, total withdrawals, yes. Okay. Divided that, then times 100. If total withdrawals is more than 0, then just put it in the flipping dictionary. Else, return 0. Okay, I got you. But I'm basically doing the same thing. Right? This is raw percentage. Matter of fact, if I print the percentage. Yeah, it's the raw percentages. It's all the percentages. Oh my days, oh my days. Okay. You maybe just not turn into an int and let it be free, I guess. And then work. I actually might talk to the GPT, bro. 'Cause it's working, but like not line in the characters. Two characters past the final bar. Plus one, huh? What the flip is your problem? One, two, three, four. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. Oh my days. I might consult the GPT. Didn't do that yet. Okay. The height of each bar on the create span chart should be rounded down to the nearest 10. Is it not? Is it not being rounded down to the nearest 10? You betcha, betcha. It's being rounded down. How many times? How many flippin' times? Nearest 10. And I have it. Print per 1762. So it should be, look, it should be 10, 60, 0, 20. Wait to the nearest. Oh! Oh! I thought it meant floor. I thought it meant floor. Thought it meant floor. It doesn't mean flipping floor. It means nearest. Oh wait, no, I'm correct. Rounded down to the nearest 10. Yeah, flip you. I hate you. I'm correct. Everything about this thing, bro. At the same length. Bars for different categories should be separated by 2 spaces. Oh yeah, that's just. Yeah, okay, with additional 2 spaces after the final. Yep. We round down to the nearest 10. Okay. Everyone wake up. Mr. Gemini. Wayne only. No solutions. You clank. No, no, no. I don't want to die when the uprising comes.
And I want you to make me a
A
Krabby Patty!
Easy to start digging in your butt, twin.
What? What?
What? Hello, Mohammed Khan. How are you, my friend? Oh, okay, but then if I return I already did return the rounded down thing, so yeah, if flipping, I'm doing that. I'm doing this, oh my this, oh my this. And then 10, and then you can actually print that because I don't know the results of that. 1060. Wait, what? Why is that 30? Shouldn't that be 20? What? Whatever. Be right. Okay. Gemini.
And I want you to make me a Krabby Patty!
Start digging in your butt, twin.
What?
Come on,
What?
Space Dog A1. Oh my days. Shall building a little ledger thing for a budget app. It says I'm doing it for my certification. Everything's correct, right? It's just the flipping tests. They don't flipping. Ah, it's so specific, and it makes me want to kill myself. I can't. I'm ML engineer. Nah, I'm not a machine learning engineer, but I'm gonna minor in that. Yeah, there's a university near me, right? And I'm planning to do some machine learning in there. It's all about, and I already have a bunch of certificates on AI, so basically I'm a machine learning engineer. But nah. Technically, I'm not a machine learning engineer.
And I want you to make me a Krabby Patty!
Start digging in your butt, twin.
Browser
What?
looks cool. Thank
What?
you. It's that Wii U type style browser, dog. You know how it is. You can find it on Google Chrome and everywhere, bro. Oh shoot, I forgot to turn it on. What browser is it? It's Chrome, dog. It's just I have it modded with some stuff. Um, what major are you in? Oh, okay, I'm a major mostly. So overall computer science, but I'm gonna focus on cybersecurity, and I'm also do some machine learning and AI too, since that's pretty good right now. That's what I'm focusing. It's really big tech. Even if the bubble is gonna pop, AI is still gonna be used pretty much everywhere. So that's a really good thing to be in right now. Alright. So anyway, each line chart should have the same length bars for different categories should be spent for. Okay, that's done. This I did it. It's rounded. Um, maybe he doesn't want me to do it there. I don't know. Take this, right? We take the percentage and then we say, hey, floor divided times it by 10 to, round it back up. Okay, it works. Work. 7.
And I want you to make me a Krabby Patty!
Yeah.
Start digging in your butt, twin.
What? What?
Yeah. Python is really good for ML engineering. If you also want to do data science too, that's also really helpful. Python's more like math and stuff since it's really easy to read, but compared to other languages that have higher speeds like C++ and C, those have like really faster speeds because they're closer to the computer. But yeah, Python is you must master Python if you want to go ML engineering. Right? You also got to learn things about how humans work, like neurons, for example. But yeah, once you learn Python's pretty easy as a syntax. It's more you gotta learn the documentation of modules and apps and stuff, and external things, external libraries. I'm pretty sure if you research some stuff like that, you'll be able to find it. But yeah, Python is the way to go, bro. If you're doing stuff like home projects and stuff, and data science, home projects, machine learning, all Python. So yeah, you should really try to master Python. It's easy though. You'll get it quickly. Trust. Just logic. It's just logic that I hate. Okay, so perk down. So try this. Matter of fact, we're gonna put the perk 20. Beats 1. Boom. That's beats 1. Boom. Okay. Did it. Hey. So I should do this. 10. Then I go here. 10. Right? See the percentages. Wait. Huh? Why does that round up to 30? Do this. Yo, that is off. What? No, cause like I thought it was line by line. Where's it being printed somewhere else? Maybe this is the final thing. So, I'm LARPing right now. That shouldn't be 30 though. Respect, so you get the.
And I want you to make me a Krabby Patty!
Start digging in your butt, twin.
What? What?
I don't really speak much, but I am Asian though. I'm gonna give you that. I'm not gonna give you my country, but you might find out. But I am Asian, so you know that's how the coding gets to it. Days. Try to guess, but I am Asian. Print perk. I don't know why it changes. Like this doesn't change. Okay, let's print the dictionary then. Let's check the dictionary. 10, 60, 0, 30. Why is it rounding up? It shouldn't round up if it's a floor division.
And I want you to make me
What?
a Krabby Patty!
Start digging in your
Okay.
butt, twin.
What? What?
You getting close, but nah, not Japan. I'm not Japanese. Damn! Yo, I need some like genius to come and like help me. You know who that genius is? Mr. GPT. No. How does it work for him though? Should I place this calculation inside? Does it want me to place it inside? Oh, ¿qué será? Las que de la mata y de la están gritando en la okay. There, that goes there, that goes there. Boom. You.
And I want you to make me a Krabby Patty!
I don't have vibe code.
Start digging in your butt,
Listen.
twin.
What? What?
Is it? Hey, if any sort of thing, vibe coding, it's cool enough for personal projects. If I want to set up a cool website, not a portfolio, but if I want to set up a cool website for myself, right? And I like want to put cool stuff, I can vibe code it, right? Because it's not, no one else is gonna be using it. Not like there's no data gonna be going through in and out. It's just gonna be me, right? So I can vibe code it all I want. Same for apps too. I can vibe code apps, but as long as like I'm using it and it's not like a public app or whatever. The reason why you don't vibe code it, like why I'm not trying to vibe code this, is because simply because, right? If I vibe code it, I'm gonna start vibe coding everything, right? This is a basic thing, right? That if I'm not able to do, if I'm not able to pursue like learn, then like it's just something that I can't. Then the harder things in the future I can't do myself, right? So if I learn this, if I struggle and learn this, then I'll be able to get it down. And the reason why you don't want to vibe code in a job, especially, right? If you're starting your own business, that's fine. You could get sued or whatever. But the reason why you don't want to vibe code in like job situations is vibe coding usually has the product of garbage code. I've heard this from another expert coder, an expert programmer, right? Is that since a lot of the public stuff, a lot of the things that AI uses comes from public things, like this thing right here, for example, right? This code probably came from this website itself, where people are asking, hey, something's wrong with my code. So that in turn tells the AI to use this code, which may not be the best. And it's the same thing with vibe coding. So if I ask it, hey, code me this, right? It's gonna take code from good program from GitHub and stuff, and it's also gonna take garbage code, right? And there's a lot of bad code out there. And if you use bad code, things are gonna crash, things are gonna not cooperate well, and especially if you're using it as something that's public, like an app or a website that a lot of people are gonna use. If you vibe code it, a lot of the times there's gonna be an extreme amount of software vulnerabilities. People will take advantage of that. They can steal data. They can ruin everything. It's a really bad thing. That's why companies pay thousands, pay like 7 figures for people who know how to do proper software engineering. Is because if there's one vulnerability, attackers can immediately find it and take everything. So you can vibe code for personal projects, but I wouldn't recommend vibe coding for anything that requires like a job or like anything that requires other people's data and stuff. Because in truth, a lot of it's garbage code. It's cool for projects and stuff because you don't want to write all that boring code, but like for things that need safety and patchwork, like proper code, you should never vibe code it. You should have a basic understanding of code at least before you start vibe coding, because then again, there's no point in coding. So that's why I don't think AI is gonna take every computer science job, because with the amount of people asking for help online and the AI using that code, that data is I don't think I would want to see that in my my Twitter app or something, because then I get hacked like immediately or get my data stolen, not hacked. Anyway, I'm just using AI for mostly assistance because I don't flip them, especially with stuff like this. Like it works, but it doesn't. Perk 10. Floor divides it. 2 then times it by 10. Not category where still hits 30. I'll do that, right? Actually hallucinating on my days. These? Okay. Oh my days. He's getting every test correct except for this one. Okay. So you're gonna do. What am I gonna do? Quote. Some D values, right? Total all is more than.
And I want you to make me a Krabby Patty!
Start digging in your butt, twin.
What? What?
Oops. Okay. It's not true. What should I do after learning Python for an ML engineer? There's a bunch of courses you could take online for AI and machine learning in general. I think you should do a couple of those. Not some of them are kind of useless. For example, since I assume you're probably in the Middle East, there's this thing called 1 million prompters. It's a free little thing. Actually, no, I don't think that this one's a good one. Coursera though. Alright. So go on like Coursera or something like that. They have really good courses for AI, for specifically like ML engineering and stuff. And you should also do small things like get certificates because they're really good for jobs and stuff. So you should probably practice. Number one, practice using Python. Right? There's this website called Leak Code. Has problems. You could go through it. It is kind of hard though. It is kind of what the flip is this? See, as you can see here, right? You have data structures and algorithms, right? This is basically machine learning, right? Algorithms is basically just AI and stuff. So it's a part of it, not everything. But if I search up machine learning, this is puzzles. Wait, yeah. You have all these here, which are just puzzles mostly. This is really good for jobs too. A lot of jobs for some reason like this. Great for interviews and stuff. Yeah, now here it is. Machine learning in machine learning this teaches you the basic concepts. So after you learn Python, obviously you could go here or you could do it right now. This is free, I think. Yeah, no, it's free. Then you could just go over here and it's a lot of reading, but there's also a bunch of videos too. So get the basic concepts of how machine learning is done, right? So I'll give you this website, matter of fact. Paste it. Have it.
And I want you to make me a
Yeah, that's me.
Krabby Patty!
Start digging in your butt, twin.
What? What?
So yeah, try to focus on honing your Python skills, right? And specifically at the area where you're gonna be doing a lot of the coding. At a basis, I think the concept you should understand is that machine learning is that the machine basically codes itself, right? It adapts to certain things. That's like the basic thing. Don't trust many things I'm saying. I'm not an expert, okay? I'm still a kid, bro. Oh my days.
And I want you to make me a Krabby Patty!
Probably
Start digging in your butt, twin.
What?
yeah, so
What?
if this information's not in my head, it's not going anywhere. Might as well give it to someone else, though. Okay, so this thing's not working, but it is working. So I don't know what the problem is. So all is that it's more than 0. Beep, beep, beep. Oh. It is so funny. Perk. That, and then we do that, and then we double it.
And I want you to make me a Krabby Patty!
Start digging in your butt, twin.
What?
Yeah, too, but
What?
yeah. And I don't worry, right? It's more concepts. Like once you understand the concepts, and it's good to be living in a time where there's like AI and stuff, so you don't have to like slave over research as well. Really good. What about 10? Transit button. It's floor division though. I'm actually getting scaredly close. I was not expecting to get this close. Okay, Mr. GPT. Wassalamu alaikum, habibi. K-back. Come here. How you been, bro? How you been? I'm gonna just post it and see what he says. He says, no, 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 no. You stupid bum. You stupid bum. I was using. No. Ah, oh, my days. Oh, my days. I gotta correct. Listen, I put that there. Yes, I did this. I did this. Change this. Or discard the remainder. Right? No. You're updating while you're still calculating. Once you overwrite the first category's raw amount, the percentage, like 20. Oh, yeah.
And I want you to make me a Krabby Patty!
Start
Oh,
digging
yeah.
in your butt,
Oh, you're
twin.
right.
What? What?
I low-key forgot Cloud exists. I'm not gonna lie. Everyone keeps talking about ChatGPT and Gemini. I keep forgetting Cloud is specifically made for developers. Thank you. Thank you, Mohammed. I got it. Good comms, bro. Good comms. The height of each bar on the should be rounded down. So, uh-huh. I'm updating it. Oh, shit. Oh my days. Hold up, I'm actually kind of stupid. I'm actually kind of stupid though. I know this is not efficient at all, but so my calculations were wrong. Oh my days. Mathematics. Calculations are oh my days. It ain't math. Okay. We're gonna restart a bit. How do we poise it though? Cause yeah, I know I'm updating it. You know that total changes. Oh yeah, nah, I actually am just an idiot. I shouldn't have put this inside. No, it's fine. I didn't have to make a new dictionary. I'm overthinking it. Is this goes away. This goes here because I keep initiating it and keep changing the values. So that should be that and that and then why is it all 20s? That in categories. Take the total all. If total all is more than 0, take the perk. Take the perk. Cat name. I think this one can stay inside because it needs to dynamically update. Yeah, and then this one. Beep bop bap. Cloud. Cloud. How you been? How you been, big dog? Cases, test cases. Not. No, I did that. I already did that. Huh? Oh, okay. Nah, I'm actually am stupid. Yeah. No. 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 I did move it outside the loop. Huh? What are you talking about? What? Oh my days! I'm about to blow my brains out, and it still don't work, doesn't it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It still doesn't work. Still doesn't work. Come on. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love coding. I love coding. Oh, it's oh, actually no, it's I. This is fine. It's just a flipping thing. Oh my days. Oh my days. I'm gonna die. Look, it's correct. I wrote it correctly. I did it correctly. It's just a thing. It still don't work. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna share the current thing in my code. I forgot I named the ball sack. Your tries, their jaw 200. So check. Okay. I don't. That's just my personal test case, though. I don't see why that would have too much of an effect. That and that. Oh my days! It's correct. It's all correct. You flipping bum. Give me a break. Am I not supposed to have the test cases? Not supposed to have it. Like, boom, green. What output are you getting? Okay. It expects this, but everything, everything else is fine. Just ah my days. Expects this, and I got this, but no bueno. Your bars are missing a no. What? Huh? Your bars are missing a space before the first O and the spacing is off. The expected output has an O with each space on each of the space. Should be a trailing space. I don't think you need to tell me that. Matter of fact, I think I already got that one correct. 12. Give me the error. The flip. Where's mine? Dust. Taking dust, please. Check my code. Boom. I'll get to that when I get to that. It's another suffering for another day. But here's 10. Random test. Return. Is this the thing I'm getting compared to? That is the thing I'm getting compared to. And it's a puzzle on free code camp. No, 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 no. So why am I? It just completely ignored the original thing. Why is this then broken? But this guy didn't use math dot thing. He didn't use it, and he got the pass. Is this Python just better than mine? Like, do I have to get the new improved Python? Like, what? Okay. Even though it's correct, what if I try, um, basically getting the same, even though it's fine, right? Technically it works, but I don't know if the flipping thing likes it. So instead, we're gonna do exactly what this guy did, and we're just gonna make a new dictionary for it. So new dictionary. Oh my days. UD empty, right? And then we get spec cut, and then for cutting category. What does he do? So he does the name and then withdraws and category items. 7-2. So okie dokie. So he gets name, and calls category method. I cut equals dcat.name. Then takes then perk, and then instead of poisoning that, Mr. UD, um, flip what? I think he does or yeah name. So he does UD dot UD name, UD with name. Then you add in perk. I just realized he doesn't even have all that. Wait, if I just please, 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 I'm begging you. I am begging you, please.
That's preposterous. That's preposterous.
Entity category. Yeah, we replaced it. That's why it's broken. Can we do new D? Effect has no action. Nice, nice, nice. Oh no. B category items. Let me take these B cat. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Let me. Okie dokie. So we then story dot names and then the category withdrawals. Category withdrawals. Yeah, do the exact same thing as him. Right here, I cat categories name. Name is equal. Brings down that puts the category. verify that, right? You can print the 8020. 10.49, 24, 10, 10, 10, 40, 10, 40, 10, 20. 10, 40. Then, yeah, no, that's correct. What? Take that and take the percentage. With and then take the category name. Once the category names there are, then go that, and then that, and then that, and then that, and then good. Okay. It's everything correct. Calculated the percentages too. Why is it wrong? Wasn't total withdrawals. Yeah, category withdrawal. Yeah, from the values. Yeah, that's the total all. And then I take the withdrawals, the individual withdrawals, right? So that's in the whole thing. Which if I print it, print all, that's 163. The total amount spent for everything. 163. Then in D items. Then I take the name, the spec cat is equal to D name. D name. So if I then print the new dictionary, right? We have this, that, and that. If we add this 0.1 plus 80, 163. So that's correct. That's correct. Total all is correct. Now we get voice crack. You check to get spec cat specific category. So specific category is D. D name. So that pulls out the value of that. So let's see D name. We take out total draw 23.1 and the total all. So 0.1 divided B 0.1 equals to 0.141. Which is 0.14. Huh? Oh, 0.1416. You know, okay, so all the percentages are correct. Done, 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 and done. Okay? And, okay, so let's check it now. This should be rounded down to 10. That's rounded down to 10. This should be rounded down to 40. That's rounded down to 40. This, 10, 10. This, 20, 20. Done. It should suck on my nuts. Okay, dokie. Love this. Cloud. Everything works, but I keep failing it. Why? What if that's poisoning me? No. I hate you. I've always hated. It's gonna work though. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna work though. Is it gonna work though? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you don't like floats, maybe? Maybe? No, what the flip? I've done everything! I've done it all! Yet why? Why do you do this to me? Months spent, -4 withdrawals. Wait, do I actually have to put it negative? Do I actually have to put a flippin' negative? What is your problem? With zeros. And he calculates it. No. Withdrawals, if withdrawals is less than 0, add minus it. What? Okay, yeah, so that adds it into a negative thing. Into a negative into float or integer. And then it goes like that, right? Sum category values. Calculate percentages spent for things. Take that, divide by that, then times that 100. Oh, then I don't need this anymore, do I? Do I? No? Okay. Da. Oh, no, it's because of this. No. Total all is...
Everything, I had everything.
Oh. Oh my days! Oh my days! Yes. I found a bigger ad mismatched the labels with the bars that is fixed now. Uh, 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 uh. Um, I mismatched the labels with the bars. I have no idea what the flip is going on. Let's look at this, guys, because now he said he fixed it, but nice. Okay, some list comprehension adds. Okay, it's a double index. This is max length. Okay, that's, I feel like, insert. Okay. What about the calculations? Hello, the calculations. Adding the O for percentage. Okay. Did he make it a separate calculation? No, he did it all in one. Okay, he's a masochist. Maybe he's actually just smarter than me. No, that's, yeah, the second one's probably true. Gonna get, when is it gonna get good, huh? When am I gonna feel the intense dopamine rush? Oh my days, that first project, that first exam that I flipping hit, and then first try, boom, I screamed out loud. It felt so good. Oh, what the flip? That's weird. Total spend is equal to 0, right? For categories in category, J. I guess that total dependent. I don't know what the spent for item in cat.ledger category ledger. Calc total spent. Calculate total spent. Okay. He could have just done some, but hey, I respect the dedication. Maybe he just didn't know like I did, but Oh, my day's turned off.
Yeah, you could call out actually. I might have lost frames.
I mean, I got way closer. Shut up. Anyway, this is his total spent, and I assume this is his calculation of it. You know, here is his calculation for categories. Calculate percentage. Cat percent equal to cat dot spent slash dot spent. Category spent. Categories. Yeah, no, he does. There's no flipping thing. Everyone, the AI is lying to me. I'm doing the same thing. Hi. Mismatch the labels with the bars. It's all fixed now. I still get the error. Expected different chart representation. Okay. Couldn't just slap with the calculations, huh? You had to do me like this. So it goes through each category in the categories and says, hey, this category that percent. Why is that a part of his class? Why is there a dot? Or I'm gonna just assume that's just a regular name. I'm just too stupid to understand. This is really unique writing. Really unique code. I like it. I like it. I like it. Picasso. Get the spent slash DOT spent. That right. Not. What does he do about the percentage? I'm generally so confused. I'm so confused. So anyway, that's all. That's all. Take the withdraw if total all. I'm just coping. Bang, and then no, it's nothing. What happened? What happened? I don't know. I don't flipping know. Film. Oh. Still failing this test. I don't even know how. Come on, drop, drop. No, no, that can't. That can't be it. I will kill myself if that's the reason why. What? What? Huh? What do you mean? What do you mean that's it? It's a space. It's a space. Why is this broken to? Okay, Oh, boom, boom, boom. I'm at, I'm at, oh my days, oh my days, oh my days, oh my days. It actually pisses me off sometimes. It actually pisses me off. Like, Jenny, why is this not working with additional 2 spaces after the final bar? So I got it right. Everything about it was right. So why? Ah, ah. Oh my days. Ah, 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 ah. Flip you. That just like oh my days. That just ruins the joy of getting it right. I got it right, but then I didn't get it right. You know why? Because of a single flipping space. Not the other thing's broken. I don't know why this is broken, right? But then like like dude, it's a good. It's like a chat like what like yo yo. Maybe I gotta do like this. Alright, let's see how this guy gets it. Razda, my friend, how you been? How you been? This dude's been my cheat sheet. I've been basically just copying. Oh my days. That okay? It wants that. It wants that. Okay. Now they just both don't work. Like, genuinely, what's the point of like? What's the point of existing? Now I'm gonna voice Christ too. It's because I'm screaming, right? Okay, baby. Why is it not working now? Hey, tell me. Tell me. Oh wait. Okay, so okay. Oh my days. I just want you to know, Free Code Camp, I love you so much for giving us free certificates, but at the same time, these tests, I get the logic, I get everything correct, but I need a flipping space. Ah. Okay, now it's time to. I'm doing it tomorrow. I'm doing it tomorrow. Hey, thank y'all, Muhammad. Thank y'all everybody that's been here. Y'all be dogs. Um, see y'all later when I'm done with this stupid thing.